All right, good morning Kubota fans. This is Nick at Creel Tractor Company, Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're looking at an SVL95, still under factory warranty, 63 hours on the clock, cab, air conditioning, high flow hydraulics, mechanical quick coupler. Machine does include a bucket. It's actually at the customer's house still. This is a consignment piece. Good looking machine, in pretty good condition considering that it has been used. Very low hours. See that radiator? There you go. Let's go ahead and hop in and fire her up. Doing the door open to the cab here. Go ahead and close that. AC blows cold like it should. If you're in the market for an SVL95, come and see us on Palm Beach Boulevard in Fort Myers. Visit us on the web at creeltractor.com or give us a call 239-694-2185. Again, Nick from Creel Tractor Company, Fort Myers, Florida. Talk to you soon.